It's update 2 on Tropical Storm Leepi, currently located not too far from the Japanese coastline, in between the Japanese mainland and the Ryukyu Islands, near Okinawa as well, towards the southeast of the storm, and China well off to the west over there. And the storm is expected to remain as a tropical storm, a weak tropical storm at that, and striking the Kyushu island and then moving out very close to the southern coast of Japan as it moves onwards towards extratropical transition. Rainfall warnings in effect for parts of Shikoku and southern Honshu, and Gale Advisories in effect for many areas, including the Ryukyu Islands, Kyushu, Shikoku and southern Honshu. Obviously quite a significant swathe of the Japanese coastline under threat at the moment. The sea surface temperature still staying warm around where the storm is, or maybe just a little bit towards the southeast of the storm, so it will be fairly borderline over the next few days. And of course the storm will be turning extratropical very soon. Current temperatures near the storm are around 25 to 26 degrees Celsius, so right on the threshold for tropical storm formation and its ability to maintain its strength. So it's probably going to continue to deteriorate, and you can see here in the latest satellite imagery the lower level circulation has broken free over the dense cloud cover towards the south of the storm, and that's probably going to continue as it moves towards Japan, and it will strike probably as a transitioning to extratropical storm by the time it reaches mainland Japan. Elsewhere in the world then, what's going on at the moment? Tropical storm Barry made landfall in Mexico not very long ago at all, and we also have Invest 94W at the moment, which will very soon probably be a tropical storm not too far from the Philippine coastline. It's already tropical depression Fabian according to the Philippines, and we also have 95W as well, and we'll have more on that very soon. That'll be in the bulletin later this evening. And here's the current situation. You can see the Pacific Ocean, satellite imagery, you can see Leepi and 94W there at the moment. 95W is not marked out, it's near the international date line and not too far from the equator either. So let's take a look at 2013 compared then. Still quite a way to go until we reach the 2010 figure of 14 storms, 7 typhoons and 4 category 3 storms, but obviously there's still a very long time to go in the Western Pacific season, running all year round of course, and peaking in summer to autumn period. 3 storms so far this year, no typhoons as of yet. And don't forget, you can track any storms that form anywhere in the world on the Force 13 website, force13.com/storm tracking. That'll take you straight to the storm tracking pages, and then you can go more in depth to each basin where you can see where the storms are going, the tracking maps, as well as any warning information as that becomes relevant. We'll have another update on all the Western Pacific systems coming up later this evening at around midnight UTC.